Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. In this video, I only want to focus here on the very short term. I did discuss the higher degree price action in previous videos extensively. So we really only want to focus here in the midday update at the lower level price action. And it could very well be that this wave 5 was in. So we hit the support area and reversed out of it. As always, when we do that, you have an opportunity, if you trade this setup, to move up your stop loss. Okay. In the previous video, I think we were here or somewhere, and I mentioned to you that we need to get above the wave 4 high to indicate the wave 5 here was in, and we've done that. Yeah, we've done that now. So we've got a first piece of evidence and indication that this wave 5 of C of 2 was over, and it remains my preference that we will get an extension in this green wave 5. However, as I said yesterday, it could already be in, but until we have evidence for that, which would be a break below the green support box, we can focus here on higher. Have to say, bear in mind that we are still moving here in a channel. We are constrained by this ascending channel. And other than that, yeah, you know, I'm watching now if this wave 5 is over. We won't really have clarity until we have a 1-2 setup in 3, and we might just we might just be working on that now. Please understand, at the moment this is a very choppy action that we have here, and I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, so really can only give you limited yeah, sort of a limited view, but this at the moment looks like a 3-wave move, to be honest. Yeah, no, there is no at least on the 5-minute we don't see 5 waves. Nah, not yet. So at the moment, you know, we might get a diagonal here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe a 5 up. This is a pennant, but look, I'm on the 1-minute chart, which is a bit ridiculous. So either way, I have explained it many times. You won't be able to confirm if the wave 5 is over until the price has moved quite a bit. Now we have the first indication that it broke above that wave 4 high. However, even better indication would be if we break into the wave 1 price region, which is above 23,730. And then if we break above the wave 2 high, even better, which is 23,930. But again, it is secondary. We can't really, you know, because nobody knows the future, so we can't really say, okay, it's over yet or not. What we need to do, we need to enter where the risk is low, and the risk was low in this box. And anybody who entered, I can only repeat it, maybe consider to move your stop loss to break even, you know. And but you know, that's entirely up to you. There is still at the moment, because we only have 3 waves up, as we've just seen on the 1-minute chart, there's still risk that we come down. Yeah, I mean, there is still risk that this whole pattern breaks and fails. Yeah, and if it doesn't move up now, it's going to become quite a weird pattern. I mean, what I could imagine is happening then, if we make one more low here, this is probably then not a C wave, but we will have something here, maybe like a WXY pattern. So I could imagine we had then a WX and then Y, and in the Y wave, an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave still to come. So either way, it remains my view that the 22.9k level here really is the key bullish micro support. It goes down all the way to the lower boundary of the ascending channel. Made you aware of the key resistance areas. Breakout would of course be a move above the wave 1 high, which would be at 24,260. But eventually what we really need is a breakout of the channel to trigger that impulsive price action. And to be honest, if the wave 2 low is already in, and there is some initial evidence, there are some indications, but there is not really any evidence or strong evidence. But if it is over, then we can calculate the target here for the 3rd wave, which would be, we take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2, and the target for the 3rd wave of the 5th would actually be 25,660. Now, if it's a diagonal, then it might not go up that much. It might only hit the 1-to-1 ratio at 24,733. So that has to be the first target. Yeah, That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.